Are you poised to tickle your taste buds with some mouth-watering cupcakes? Today, unravel the mystery of baking the most delectable cupcakes that are a breeze to make. Brace yourself to dazzle your friends and family with your extraordinary baking prowess. First off, gather the ingredients needed for this culinary adventure. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon each of baking soda and salt, half a cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and half a cup of whole milk. With all the necessary ingredients at hand, march towards the next phase. In a mid-sized bowl, blend the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In another larger bowl, whip the butter and sugar until it turns light and fluffy. Add the eggs one by one, beating them thoroughly after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually incorporate the dry ingredients into the butter-sugar mixture, alternating with the milk. Mix until it's just combined. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange cupcake liners in a cupcake tin. Scoop the batter into each liner, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow them to cool completely before proceeding with the frosting. Now that your cupcakes have cooled down, it's time for the fun part, decorating them. You can use any frosting or topping of your choice. However, a classic buttercream frosting works wonders. To make the frosting, combine half a cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Whisk until it turns light and fluffy. Pipe or spread the frosting onto the cooled cupcakes. And there you have it, beautifully crafted cupcakes that are as pleasing to the eye as they are to the palate. Congratulations on successfully baking these delicious cupcakes. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this recipe promises to be a hit. So, dust off your apron and get ready to embark on this baking journey.